Right everyone, here's a new toy for you to look at. First video for 2026. Now this is a car made by a company called Tippco in Western Germany before 1945. We don't know much about it apart from that. We can't find out much about it, but these are all expensive. Yes, this cost me over 200 quid. I'm not telling you how much over that, I'm just saying it did. Okay, now, yes, it's really big, isn't it? I spent all Christmas taking this apart and restoring it. Now the only place you can see the, I'll do this in the video, the only place you can see the name is on the front of the radiator grill there. I'll show you that in another way. And there you go. How it looks all the way around. It's got the driver filler in there. I had it all apart. I don't like how someone has written something in the back there. I don't know what it actually says. I think they put it in there with a penknife or something. And also on the front here, someone has written something down there. I don't know what that says. I have no idea. Anyway, that's how that actually is. And in a minute I'll show you, the underneath. There you go. There's the underneath of it. The motor was all rutty. It wouldn't work. But now it does. Yeah. Hang on a minute. Right, we'll get this out of the way and I'll show you. Look. So, here's the motor, look. This would actually run a really long way. I can imagine it would do. It was all fell apart. One side of this was all this side was not in there. All the traps were bent round and it wasn't going through. Now it does. Everything is working under there. And now I'll wind it up and you can see how this goes. It's really good. Look at this. Ready? Here you go. That would go a really long way, wouldn't it? Don't you think? I think it would. Let's try it on here. I bet it goes along there. I bet it does. I bet it does. Let's try it again and see if it goes along there. Doesn't have to do much at all with this. There we go. Ready? Yeah, see how the further it goes, the better it gets, obviously. Oh, come on, Tippco. I know. You know how these things are. They're old. You don't expect it to be perfect, do you? So anyway, there you go. And then next week I'll show you the fairy-like table roaster, because that's really difficult to find that in the original box. But I did that over Christmas as well. Because there's nothing else to do, is there, over Christmas? So I did two. I've got another one to show you, and another one, and other ones, and I don't know. You'll have to wait and see, won't you? Okay, everybody, and thanks to all my new subscribers, and a happy new year to you all.